and we're both dental assistants here at Dr. Jennifer Wells' office at First Impressions Family Dentistry, and we would like to talk to you about toothbrushes.
So, Katie, what do you prefer whenever you're traveling? I personally like electronic toothbrush. What do you like?
I prefer the automatic toothbrush as well because to me it can make your teeth feel a lot more cleaner than the manual can do, and it can do a lot more stuff. In fact, we actually sell automatic toothbrushes here. We have the Oral-B, and when you actually purchase this with us, it comes with all 5 of these heads. It comes with mouthwash, floss, and toothpaste. And right now we have a rebate on us. We also sell the Ultra IntelliSonic and Waterpik flossers. So what do you like to use when you go on vacation? Do you prefer the manual or do you prefer the automatic? Comment below and let us know because we'd really like to hear from you. Have a good day.
Give us a like. Bye-bye.